Recently, I spent a fun Saturday carving a few bowls from green wood. I'll show you how easy it is. I started by dropping by a garden waste drop-off site and grabbing a few big logs like this one. Then it was onto my bandsaw. I could have started out my bowl blanks by shaping the logs with a splitting maul or a froe, but I have a bandsaw, so that was my choice. I used a sled to hold the bowl firmly as I started the cut, and then sectioned the log into a rectangular blank. Then I angled the sides and curved the ends. With the rough blank formed, I attached the stock to a piece of plywood with screws and then clamped the plywood to my work surface with clamps. Then, with my Arbortech TurboPlane cutter mounted in my angle grinder, I got busy shaping the outside of the bowl. One advantage of mounting the blank to the plywood is that I was able to spin the piece end to end to make shaping the bowl sides easier. To shape the ends of the bowl, I remounted the blank across the plywood to provide better access for carving. With the outside of the bowl shaped to my liking, I took it off the plywood and flipped it over, sketched a line to indicate the lip, and remounted it and carved out the inside of the bowl. Take care to keep the sides about the same thickness. You guessed it, it's time for sanding. Start with 60 grit and work your way up. I finished my bowls with tung oil and they looked great. These bowls were inspired by dough rising bowls back when people made bread every day. Now I don't make a lot of bread, but as you can see, they can be used for a lot of different things. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making sawdust.